And I made this drawing, and as you see, we have a yacht here, and a yacht consists of two quincunxes and the 150-degree aspects and a sextile. And you see I've given an image as if three planets are involved, and in a yacht also a midheaven or the ascendant can join. But here I just take three planets, and you see they are in three different signs: Sagittarius, Aquarius, and Cancer. The three planets that are part of a yacht are all in different elements. And that means that they all three look at the world in a very different way. From a Jungian point of view, if you combine the elements with the psychological types, there are in a yacht figure always two out of the three signs that have a kind of polarity with each other. In Jungian terms, they are each other's inferior function, which creates an extra tension. And as you also see, the three planets are part of a polarity that the base, the sextile here, is in positive signs, and the apex here is in a negative sign. It can also be the other way around. So a positive sign wants action, and a negative sign wants reaction. Now what you see is that you have three different planets that have to interact with each other. If they have an aspect, they have to interact. But they are looking at the world in three totally different ways, and two of them want action and one wants to wait in this example. Now this creates really a tension. And as soon as there is tension, we see the crosses coming in, because the cross tells you what the best thing is, what you can do just to cope with the world and to create circumstances to solve your problems. And as you can see, we have the three different crosses, all three in a yacht. So if for example, the Aquarius, which is a fixed sign, is in the yacht, it's the planet in Aquarius says, if there are problems, I tend to withdraw and shut off. I still can talk to people, but I'm just on the automatic pilot. I'm not there anymore. And then the Cancer planet says, no way, we have to go out. We have to share our environment. We have to be with people in a cozy and nice atmosphere. Oh no, says the mutable planet in Sagittarius. The mutable planet says, I want to be on the move. There is a kind of restlessness in me. So none of the three is helping the other to feel good. Now what you see is we have three elements, three crosses, and positive, negative. So these are 8 different worlds. And we have 3 planets that have to share these 8 different worlds. It is as if you have 3 legs in 8 worlds. And we have an expression in Holland that says, how can you make chocolate out of that? So that's difficult. And it means that there is a kind of eternal tension in a yacht. And that means also that there is a kind of restlessness. And that's why you always see with people who have yacht figures that they have a kind of turmoil in their life. There are many inner and outer changes. There are turns, there are unexpected events and developments, ranging from very negative to very positive, and also offering unexpected chances. Here is one of the examples I love to use, and that's the chart of Mia Farrow. And we also will use her chart later on in Synastry. She has a yacht in her chart between the moon at the apex in Capricorn and Uranus and Pluto making a sextile with each other and both quincunxing the moon. You see also that the sun is not making any major aspect, so she has an unaspected sun. And you see Mars on the midheaven, and you see it's trining Jupiter, and Jupiter is also trining the midheaven, but both planets are only aspecting each other, and they have no major aspects to other planets. And this means that they act as what we call a duet. A duet is actually that two planets are dancing together, and the fact that they make an aspect to the midheaven doesn't count. They really have to make an aspect to a planet. And if they dance together, they also have the qualities as if they are unaspected. And that's why I will talk about them as being unaspected. No matter that they dance together, they still have all those qualities.